Welcome to Trading. It's the honest traders. First of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. We're watching SoundHound AI Inc. Sound stock. We are in the weekly time frame and take a look at this. Since the last hikes, the crash we could say, let us know in the comments your opinion about this situation. Minus 65% more or less. And since the year started, from the year to date perspective, the situation doesn't change a lot. Let's take a look since the 1st of January, more or less right here. Minus 50 something percent. Wow, what a start of the year in the negative direction. Let us know if you think this will continue or not. How do you see the current situation for this stock and similar ones in these sectors? And let's talk about the latest news that we have right here, some key facts, and also about the upcoming earnings and revenue, because they are very interesting. So first, let's start with the seasonal chart, because it's a very interesting tool that we have right here in the TradingView platform. Let me put my camera out so you can see that with more detail. And you have right there all the different years since 2022. We can see the best one was 2024, the past year, with a performance of 853% to the upper part in the year-to-date perspective. Then 2023, 62% more or less. And then we have 2022 in the negative direction, minus 76%. And 2025 starting with a minus 57%. How do you think this year 2025 could end? Will it be as good as the past years 2024 and 2023? Which of both, because very different, you know, 62% and 800%, huge difference right there. Or as negative as 2022, or maybe a different scenario? Let us know in the comments below. Also, we have the forecast right here of 8 Wall Street analysts offering 1 year price forecast for SoundHound AI. The maximum estimate is $26, so they think that could break that previous highs of $24 more or less. The average between these 8 is $14.69, an average upside of more than 70%. And then we have the minimum at $7 minus 18%. How do you see these forecasts? Do you agree with them? Do you have a different one? Let us know in the comments below. And for the key information, what do we have right here? All right, so we have the Nvidia's exit. You know, in the previous video we commented about it. The Nvidia's decision to divest its entire stake in SoundHound AI was revealed in the filing, you know, and it was a move that was interpreted by some investors as a lack of confidence in SoundHound's future growth prospects, leading to a sharp decline in SoundHound's stock price. You can see right here in the chart the price has been dropping in a very dramatic way. We have to wait and see how that goes, if it stops or not. Let us know in the comments your opinion about it. Then we have key collaborations in February 2025. SoundHound AI announced a strategic partnership with Serve Robotics, aiming to integrate, you know, the software of AI technology into Serve Robotics' autonomous delivery platforms. And also we saw other collaborations with car companies and so on. How do you see all the movements that this company is making? Do you think that will be enough to change the price action that we can see right there or not? Let us know that also in the comments below. And then finally we have the forecast that you saw from those analysts. And let's go to the data that we have right here in the financials to see this forecast, because I think it's a very interesting idea to see that in more detail. Yeah, and we have it right there. We have the estimates for the revenue, 33 million, you know, so very interesting. If we compare it to the previous quarter in 2023, you know, year to year, it was 17 million more or less. And then we have the earnings forecast, minus 0.10 USD, and in the past year was minus 0.07. So how do you see that? Do you think that could make a difference in the price, how it is behaving or not? Let's go to see more data right here. We have for the EPS forecast and the revenue forecast. You have it right there. Let me put it so you can see in the screen. You have it right there, the estimate and the estimate for the revenue. This is a more clear visual of it. And then we have also the forecast for consequent quarters. And also you can see that in the annual direction. So how do you see all these forecasts, all this information? Do you agree with them? Do you think they will release them and this date and they will be as the estimate or a different one? Let us know in the comments below, because we are very interested in knowing your opinion as usual. From the technical side, what can we see right here? The price breaking this level, a very interesting one, you know, we have it right there. In the past, this acted as a very clear resistance area. You can see right there it got rejected with a lot of strength, and then it got broken out with a lot of bullish strength right there. You know, it was like, we are not going to get rejected again right here, and it broke in the opposite direction. But this time it was broke. Well, the price got rejected a little bit, it bounced from here, but from there it started to go lower again. So key question for you guys: do you think the SoundHound AI earnings could be better or worse than the estimate? How do you think that could affect the price? How do you see this stock, this sector in general? Do you think is this an opportunity or a trap? Let us know in the comments below. SoundHound AI, let's talk about it. Let's talk in the comments below. Please share all the information that you want with us. I'm going to put the camera so I can say goodbye to you. We love you. Have a nice week. Take care. Subscribe to Train HD. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and comment everything you want to share. Train HD community, honest traders.